Africa stands at a transformative crossroads, a place where ancient cultural legacies meet the revolutionary possibilities of artificial intelligence. This confluence is not just shaping industries and economies, but also redefining African identity, creativity, and expression. As the continent rapidly embraces AI, a new cultural renaissance is emerging, fueled by technological advancements that promise to bridge historical divides, democratize knowledge, and empower communities. This video explores how AI is intertwining with African culture, sparking innovation while posing critical questions about the future. Africa's technological landscape has historically been a study in contrasts. On one hand, the continent has been marked by underdevelopment, characterized by limited infrastructure, low internet penetration, and digital divides. On the other, Africa has demonstrated remarkable adaptability and innovation in technology adoption. Mobile phones, for instance, have become ubiquitous across the continent, often bypassing traditional landline infrastructure. Mobile banking services like M-Pesa in Kenya have revolutionized financial transactions, demonstrating Africa's potential to leapfrog into advanced technological solutions. The integration of AI into this landscape is both a continuation of and a departure from previous trends. AI offers a profound shift, moving beyond connectivity and communication to advanced computational capabilities that can enhance decision-making, automate processes, and provide intelligent insights across sectors. The African Union's Agenda 2063 envisions a continent transformed by technology, underpinned by smart cities, digital economies, and AI-driven development. One of the most promising aspects of AI in Africa is its potential to preserve and promote cultural heritage. AI technologies such as machine learning and natural language processing are being used to digitize African languages, many of which are endangered. Projects like Masakani, an open-source AI research effort, aim to translate African languages using machine translation models, thus preserving linguistic diversity and promoting cultural expression. AI is also being leveraged to archive historical documents, artifacts, and oral traditions. Digital platforms can store and categorize these cultural elements, making them accessible to future generations. AI-driven virtual reality experiences are recreating ancient African historical sites and allowing users to engage with their heritage interactively. This form of digital storytelling is not only an educational tool, but also a means of cultural expression, empowering African communities to tell their stories from their perspectives. Art and music have always been integral to African identity, and AI is now playing a role in this creative process. In the realm of visual arts, AI algorithms are being used to generate new forms of art, blending traditional African motifs with contemporary styles. Artists are collaborating with AI systems to create pieces that reflect both the past and the future, exploring themes of identity, migration, and globalization. Music, too, is experiencing an AI-driven evolution. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of music data, identifying patterns and trends that can inspire new compositions. African musicians are using AI to experiment with new sounds, rhythms, and harmonies, pushing the boundaries of traditional African music. This intersection of technology and creativity is giving rise to a new genre of music that is both distinctly African and universally appealing. The concept of celebrity is being redefined by AI through the rise of virtual influencers. These digital personas created using AI technologies are gaining popularity on social media platforms. Unlike human influencers, virtual influencers can be tailored to meet specific brand needs and engage with audiences 24/7 without the challenges that come with human management. This trend is particularly impactful in Africa, where social media is a primary means of communication and brand promotion, virtual influencers in Africa are beginning to reflect the continent's rich cultural diversity. They are being designed to embody African aesthetics, values, and narratives, thereby offering new ways for brands to connect with local audiences. However, the rise of virtual influencers also raises ethical questions about authenticity, representation, and the potential for manipulation. While AI holds significant promise, it also brings challenges, particularly in the realm of misinformation and deepfakes. Deepfake technology, which uses AI to create hyper-realistic fake videos and audio, has the potential to undermine trust in media and communications. In Africa, where social media is a dominant platform for news dissemination, the spread of deepfakes could have serious implications for political stability and public trust. Instances of deepfake scams have already been reported globally, including high-profile cases of fraud using AI-generated videos to impersonate executives in video calls. Such technology could be used to manipulate elections, incite violence, or damage reputations. African governments and tech communities must proactively develop strategies to detect and counteract the negative uses of AI, ensuring that technological advancements do not come at the cost of social cohesion and trust. Agriculture is a backbone of many African economies, and AI offers transformative potential in this sector. AI-powered tools can analyze weather patterns, soil conditions, and crop health, providing farmers with actionable insights that can increase yield and reduce losses. In countries like Kenya and Nigeria, AI-driven platforms are helping farmers access market information, optimize resource use, and improve their livelihoods. These advancements in agricultural technology are not just about increasing productivity, they also have cultural significance. Agriculture is deeply embedded in African cultural practices, and AI is providing a means to sustain and enhance these traditions in the face of climate change and urbanization. By integrating AI into traditional farming practices, African communities can preserve their cultural heritage while adapting to modern challenges. For AI to truly drive a cultural renaissance in Africa, supportive policies and robust infrastructure are essential. Governments must prioritize the development of digital infrastructure, including reliable internet access, electricity, and data storage facilities. Policies that encourage innovation while protecting privacy and ensuring ethical AI use are critical. Public-private partnerships can play a vital role in building the necessary infrastructure and fostering a conducive environment for AI innovation. Collaboration between governments, tech companies, and educational institutions can help bridge the digital divide, making AI technology accessible to marginalized communities. This inclusive approach is key to ensuring that the benefits of AI are shared equitably across society. Education is the cornerstone of Africa's AI-driven cultural renaissance. Investing in AI literacy from primary to tertiary education levels will empower the next generation of African innovators. Coding bootcamps, online courses, and university programs focusing on AI and machine learning are being established across the continent. These initiatives aim to equip young Africans with the skills needed to thrive in a digital economy. Furthermore, fostering a culture of innovation through AI competitions, hackathons, and startup incubators will encourage creative solutions to local challenges. By cultivating a generation of AI-savvy individuals who are also grounded in African cultural values, the continent can ensure that its technological future is not only bright but also culturally rich and inclusive. The intersection of AI and culture in Africa heralds a new renaissance, one that blends the continent's rich heritage with cutting-edge technology. AI offers tools to preserve and celebrate African cultures, create new forms of art and music, redefine identity and representation, and enhance sectors like agriculture and education. However, this transformative power must be harnessed responsibly, with careful attention to ethical considerations, privacy concerns, and the potential for misuse. As Africa navigates this technological evolution, it stands to not only participate in the global AI revolution, but to lead it in ways that are uniquely African. By embedding cultural wisdom and ethical foresight into AI development, Africa can ensure that its cultural renaissance is both innovative and true to its roots, paving the way for a future that honors the past while embracing the possibilities of tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.